Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to code HTML in Visual Studio. First, install Visual Studio Code and any essential extensions for HTML. Next, create a new file and save it with the HTML extension. This tells VS Code it's an HTML document. Finally, leverage Emmet abbreviations to quickly generate common HTML structures, saving you significant typing time. This setup gets you ready to build web pages efficiently. Understanding the basic structure is crucial for any HTML page. Start with the doctype HTML declaration, which defines the document type. Then, the HTML element acts as the root, containing everything else. Inside HTML, you'll find the head for metadata and the body, where all your visible content resides. This foundational setup ensures your web page renders correctly.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, coding can make you hungry, so why not make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers? They're perfect for keeping your healthy meals fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
HTML elements are the building blocks of your web page, structuring content like headings, paragraphs, and lists. Attributes enhance these elements by providing extra details, such as the source for an image or a link's destination. Remember that some elements, like line breaks or images, are self-closing and do not require a separate closing tag. Mastering these helps you create rich, descriptive content. Seeing your code in action is vital. Install the Live Server extension in VS Code to instantly preview your HTML. Simply right-click your HTML file and select Open with Live Server to launch it in your browser. Any changes you save will automatically refresh, providing immediate feedback. For deeper analysis, utilize your browser's developer tools to inspect elements and troubleshoot any layout or styling problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.